everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a 3-layer video or a multi-screen video using the Inshot app like this. Let's get started. So the first step is to open the Inshot app. The next step is to select your video. Follow the red arrow. Select a blank screen. Next, increase the duration of your blank screen. The next step is to select canvas and select 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, select background and choose a theme. Next, select pip in order to add your videos. We will add our videos one after the other. Next, adjust the position. Next, let's add the rest of our videos. Let's adjust all our clips by splitting and deleting the unwanted clips. Click here to preview your video. Next, export your video. These are the results. That was easy, right? Try it in your next editing and let me know how it goes. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or suggestions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and also share the video to anyone who might need it. Watch the content creation playlist next. See you in the next video.